manufacturing is facing major challenges. Labor shortages, the need for operational flexibility, etc. Now we at Siemens believe that humanoid robots represent the next frontier in industrial automation. Allow us to present HuBSi. HuBSi is making his way over to our machine tool robot because he's been informed about some sort of an issue that he has to go and check out. So as you can see, with his limbs, he's able to navigate our fair booth with absolute ease independently. And he can use tools and equipment that was originally designed to be used by us humans, thanks to his human-like limbs. So we've almost reached the cell, and HuBSi is going to go and check out what's inside.
Hi HuBSi, can you come in the robot cell and inspect it? You see I don't have any safety shoes on. Can you do that? That's a really dangerous area for me, and it would be great if you can check the process if I can start it, okay? And is everything all right? A lot of chips, right? Steel chips are great, but I have to clean it. So come on out, and I think I can start the process again, and we can continue showing what the new machine tool robot does.
So HuBSi is now on his way back. He's solved the problem. Now, HuBSi is equipped with sensors and cameras that give him a 360-degree perception of his surroundings. As you can see, this is really no problem for him at all. He's also equipped with AI capabilities. So he's constantly learning about his surroundings. Like a child, yeah? He's always learning, and he can use natural language programming, okay? So you can even speak to him, he can reply to you using normal language. How impressive is that?